Hey y'all, happy Sunday. Cheers. So about a month ago, we were doing a video and Terry asked me, could I do some fireball chicken? I said, I don't know, I've never done it before. I've done flank steak with fireball, but I've never done chicken. So yesterday, I took some chicken thighs out of the freezer and thawed them out. I put a cup of fireball in the bag, and then I actually measured stuff this time. I used a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of ground ginger, a teaspoon of ground cloves, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. And I had about a cup of fireball in there. And so they've been marinating. Right now it's been about 22 hours in the icebox.
They're cooked.
So I got my Weber kettle fired up, and what I'm going to do this to cook it different this time. I'm going to start these off on the hot side. I'm going to get it good and hot, and I'm going to sear these off. Then I'll cut the temperature back, and I'll move the thighs over to the other side and let them finish cooking there. And once I move the thighs over, I'm going to come back and show you dessert, which is something I never do, desserts. But that'll be later on in the video. So I'm going to get these out of here and dry them off, and let me get that did, and we'll be right back. Okay, I got the chicken dried off. I got some pecan wood on the smoker. I'm going to take this out there on the hot side. I'm going to cook it skin side down first, then flip it over. Get some char on the other side. Then I'll move it over to the indirect side. So, let me get that did, and we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, let's put a dessert together. I haven't done this in probably 20 years. We used to have poker parties. We'd watch wrestling pay-per-views, and a bunch of people would come by. We'd watch NASCAR races, and
Yada, yada, yada.
we'd have a bunch of people over. And I used to make this dessert. And it's real simple. All you need is some brownies, some Cool Whip, or you can make your own topping. You can make your own brownies if you want, but this is what I use today. You need some Heath bars. When I used to do this, I'd buy a 6-pack of Heath bars. And I went to 2 grocery stores and 3 drug stores, and I couldn't find a 6-pack of Heath bars. All I could find was these little bitty things. So I could take them all out of paper and smash them up. And you need some Kahlua. And I don't have any real Kahlua, but I got some homemade Kahlua that me and Terry got for Christmas. That's going to be a video, an upcoming video here in the next couple of months. This stuff is really good.
I don't know, I've not tried it.
So, let me get these tore out of the paper here and get them mashed up. Got my trusty meat hammer here. Let me get that did, and then we'll be back in a minute and show you how I put this together. Okay, I got my Heath bars chopped up. Let me see what they look like, little pieces. Some are bigger than others, it don't matter. So now what we got to do now, let's take some of these brownies out of here. Get out of there. And then put them in your bowl, your pan, whatever you're using.
You gotta break that up.
I'm fixing to. I'll make sure I got enough in there. So, get you a layer of brownie in there. Then you gotta drizzle you some Kahlua over there. Damn, that's stuck. Ooh. So, I don't have a drizzling thing, so I'm just gonna pour some on. And you don't need a lot, but just put a little bit on there. And then you come back with your Heath bars. Get you a layer of them in there. And then you're gonna take some Cool Whip, or you can make your own whipped cream, whatever you care. I don't care, whatever you want to do. And put some of that in there.
You're not the neatest person, are you?
Nope, I don't claim to be neat. Like I said, I don't make food pretty, I make it tasty. So, and then we just repeat the process. And go till you're done. So, let me get this built, and we'll show you what it looks like when we end up playing with it. Get out of there. So, we'll be back in a few. Okay, that's what you end up with. And you see, I didn't use that much Kahlua out of there. And the good thing about this, if you're having it at a party, there ain't enough alcohol in the Kahlua to get anybody drunk. You could eat the whole damn thing and they still drive home. And so, it's been years since I made this. So, let's give it a try, Terry, and see what we think.
I'm not getting any brownie.
Yum.
Okay, that's mine. I don't know what you're eating.
It's good stuff, y'all. I ain't kidding.
Yeah, it is.
So, make you some. So I'm going to put a lid on this and put it in the ice box. And then I'm going to check my chicken. And we'll be back when it's done. So, there you see. Dessert and meat at the same time on a video from me. I'm not a big dessert person. So, let me cap this and we'll be back in a minute. Alright, that's what I ended up with. And I don't know what's going to taste like. Like I say, this was an experiment. Just trying something different. So, looks like it's plenty juicy. Try that.
Either take your hat off or put your head up.
That's good. What do you think?
It's okay. It's chicken thigh. I don't like chicken thighs.
I love chicken thighs, man. I get a faint taste of the Fireball. But none of the other seasonings, I don't get none of that. But it's plenty moist. It's got char on it, that's what I like. So yeah, I'd say this was a winner. So there you got a winner. Another chicken dinner winner. Winner chicken dinner. And I made you a dessert. So, go figure. I'm gonna go eat a piece of chicken. Watch the rest of the race. This is good, man. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you next time. Cheers.